Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How you doing, man? So what's in the box? Is that bags or?
Yeah, sandbags.
Sandbags, okay.
300 pounds of it.
What was the reason for that?
The box rise and the ratio for the sub.
So you want to shrink the cubic space?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We done that.
How many cubes do you think you took in? Was it before and after? You know?
Before it was like 4 cubes, but when we got through, it ended up being like 1.5
per sub?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pushing a DS18 KO8.
Yes, sir.
And 2 DS18 4-channel 3Ks.
Okay.
PRV DSP with 3 90 amp hour DS18 AGMs on stock alternator.
Stock, okay.
And
nice. All right. Nice. And these are 15s or 12s? 15s, okay. Sometimes.
DB drive, WDXs.
Nice.
And the amps right now is at a half ohm. I got 1 amp that's coming back.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Oh, it's good. I like that you have 3 ports. Have you ever tried to change the size of them, or is it just 3/8?
We were going to, but we were doing so good. I'm hitting a 155 with it.
All right, yeah.
So we
You're happy with it? Yes, sir.
We didn't even want to mess with it.
Yes, sir. All right. All right, back to get a demo. What was your name, man?
Kenneth Willis.
Kenneth.
You done me before.
Yes, sir.
Red Blazer.
Used to have 612s welding the scars
Yeah.
on our Orion 3K.
Yep. You remember, bud. And plus I teach you a lot.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Wow. And what is your impedance on this amp?
Oh Lord.
If you know.
I don't know it offhand. I forgot what we had it set at.
Okay. It's all right.
But at a half ohm, I'm pushing like 9,500 watts.
Yep.
I had 2 of them, but the other one's supposed to be coming back from DS18.
What is your tuning for your last thing?
It's at 41 hertz, but I can drop down to 18.
Awesome.
Let me find you a song.
All right. SPO World Finals, November. All right.
Yeah.
Congrats.
I've done that one and Radical X.
All right. Nice.
Built by Low Life Customs out of Oxford, North Carolina. He done mine, and that's who sponsors me is Team Low Life.
Congrats. There you go. All right. was 18. Wow.
DJ
One more for me? Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Approved. It's DJ Rusticles. Shattering glass and tapping asses.
I can never find the right song.
Awesome, man. I appreciate the demo. Thank you very much. And you got a decent musical response, even though the box and you did some fine tuning and all on it. But I like it, man. Appreciate it.
I had it. I mean, built by Low Life Customs out of Oxford, North Carolina.
Uh-huh.
He done mine, and that's who sponsors me is Team Low Life.
All right, Team Low Life. Appreciate it.